Hello, my dear student. Very morning, you all. Your pair is related to the theories of profits. It's very important in the last chapter under your subject microeconomics channel distribution. Now, this query is also related to the distribution theories. We should be cautious in this regard that the profit is the remuneration for entrepreneurship factor. Just as we have to pay, our producer has to pay the wages to the laborer, our labor, and the interest to the capital, rent to the land factor. Similarly, the producer has to pay and determine the remuneration to the entrepreneurship. The entrepreneurship is the factor of production for which the remuneration which is paid is known as the profits. Under the exchange topic, we have earlier calculated the normal profits, but here simply it is known as the profits, which is the reward to be paid to the entrepreneurship. The reward which is paid to the entrepreneurship factor is known as the profit share, which was termed as the normal profits under the market structure. So today the first theory which is having developed and studied, which were propounded by Professor J.B. Clark. So now here the first thing, that is the first theory which is known as the dynamic theory of profits. Which was the first question we raised, that by whom this theory was propounded. So now here this theory, dynamic theory of profit, was propounded by Professor J.B. Clark. J.B. Clark has initially developed, propounded this theory, which is termed as the theory of the profits. It's known as the dynamic. Dynamic means the static state is not existing. Professor J.B. Clark has made efforts to suggest to all, the profit goes to be raised or goes to be arise on account of dynamic factors. Should be cautious in. What do you mean the dynamic factors? Dynamic factors means the factors which are going to be changed. The factors are not remaining in the static position. Are in the state of static position, or in the state of staticness, they are going to be changed. Variations are occurring. The variation is going to be occurred in any sector, along with any content. Just like the different factors, namely population, capital formation, production technique, etc. The several factors, the several things which are elements which are most important, which are going to help at the time of production process. So now you should be cautious in this regard that the profit arises due to dynamic condition in the economy. If there is no dynamic condition in the economy, then profit can never arise. The profit will not take place. There you should be cautious. If the profit arises on account of dynamic condition in the economy, that is a very important issue in this regard. If there is a state of staticness, then profit will not arise. If the everything just like future demand, profit, cost, etc., everything well known to everybody, then profit will not arise over the future time period. Then no any entrepreneur will get ready to start the business. Therefore, the dynamic conditions are playing the prominent role to arise the profits in the economy. But you should learn and study about the dynamic factors. What are the dynamic factors? Which are most important things? The dynamic factors, namely, the first one may be treated as the change in population. Change in the population, the first dynamic factor, everybody knows about it, the population continuously going on changing. The second dynamic factor, which is known as the just as the increase in capital formation, increase in capital formation. The population is continuous, population size is continuously going on changing. I think everybody knows about it, that population size currently going on rising. Now, the changes are occurring along with the first factor, that is population size. Secondly, increase in capital formation. If the capital formation is not going to be increased, then profit may not arise. There will not be expectation and possibility to arise the profit. So, you should be consider the increase in capital formation is also important factor which is variating and which along with the dynamic state, a dynamic situation. The next one, which is may be considered as just like the production technique. Production technique or production method. Though it is also well known to everybody that during the current times, modern times, the production techniques are also going on changing, are going to be improved day to day. New technological development are occurring, existing continuously in continuity to upgrade the total revenue and profits. So, you should be cautious in regard that the production technique is going to be changed. It is also going to be upgraded in innovative and scientific situation. So, this is the third important dynamic factor on account of the dynamic or change in production technique, the profit may arise. The next one, which is known as the change in business organization. From business organization also going changing, due to which the profits may arise. Now we have discussed here just like the change in population and the capital formation and production technique and business organization and there may be just like the change in the income of the people, due to which the profit may arise in the economy. All these factors, we have told the several factors here which are going on changing. Population, capital formation, production technique, business organization, income of the people, etc. Due to which the profits are going to be occurred. Surely there is possibility to occur and arise the profits. There is expectation of the profits on account of dynamic condition. The dynamic condition that may occur due to these factors. Now, we have told all the dynamic factors due to which the profit is going to arise. If you have any other query, you can raise.